So friend, last time we have seen the definition of open set and the open ball. In previous video, we have seen these two topics. Okay, what is definition of open ball and what is definition of open set. Now see what is meant by open set. A non-empty set G of metric space M, it is said to be open. See what is the definition of open set. A non-empty subset G of metric space M, it is said to be open. Open means for each x belongs to G, there exists radius greater than 0 such that the open sphere B with center at x and radius r, it is contained in G, then and then the G, this is called the open set. See what is the definition of open set. A subset G, it is said to be open. Open set means we have to find some open sphere Bxr which contain in G, where what is this x? X is the element of G, then and then this G, this is called the open set. Open set means we have to find some open sphere which is subset of G, then G, it is called the open set. Now let us take this example. Now see what is this example. Show that singleton set in R1, show that it is not open. See what is given. We are given the singleton set. So let us take G as a singleton set. Singleton set means it contains just one element. It is called the singleton set. So let us take singleton set. We denote this singleton set suppose by G, and let us take it is in R1. So see what is given. We are given singleton set in R1. So let us take some singleton set in R1. Now we want to show that this is not open. So right here we have to show that G is not open in R1. Now see how to show that G, it is not open in R1. Now see, this is some negative type of statement. We want to show that this is not open in R1. So this is something negative type of statement. So how to show that negative type of statement? Always we use the method of contradiction. What is the method? For negative type of statement, always we use the method of contradiction. Now what is contradiction method? Just take the opposite statement. Now we want to show that it is not open in R1. So what is the opposite statement? Suppose that G, it is open in R1. So write down. Let us assume the contradiction, that, so what is the contradictory statement? Suppose that G, it is open in R1. So see what are the steps. We require some singleton set in R1. So let us take G as a singleton set which is in R1. Now we want to show that G, it is not open in R1. Now this is something negative type of statement. So how to show or how to prove the negative type of statement? Always we use the method of contradiction. So let us take the contradictory statement that suppose G, it is open in R1. Now use this definition of open set. What is meant by open set? Just now we have seen the definition. A subset G, it is said to be open Open means we can find some open sphere B XR which contain in G, then this G, it is called the open set. Where what is this X? X is the element of that particular set. So use this definition. Okay, suppose that G it is open in R1. So what is the definition of open set? Therefore, what is the definition? For each A belongs to G. Now we have written this definition like this. Okay, for each X belong to G, we have to find some open sphere B XR which contain in G. Where what is this X? X is the element of G. Now this G, it is the singleton set, it contains just one element. So that's why we have taken this just element A. So for each A belongs to G, there exists R greater than 0 such that, what is the definition? The open sphere B with center at A and radius R which is subset of G. So this is what the definition of open set. Because we have taken G as an open set, G it is an open set means this is the definition. Okay, there exists some open sphere B with center at A and radius R that is subset of G. Now we have seen that open ball in real line, it is nothing but the open interval. We have seen this concept in previous video. Open ball or open sphere BAR in a real line, it is nothing but the open interval A minus R to A plus R. Open interval are the open set or open ball in real line. What are the open sphere in a real line? It is nothing but the open interval. So just put this value. This open sphere, it is nothing but the open interval A minus R to A plus R. So this is our concept. Open sphere in a real line, it is nothing but the open interval. So the value of this open sphere BAR, it is nothing but the open interval A minus R to A plus R. This is subset of G. And what is this G? G, this nothing but the singleton set. So what is this expression? This is nothing but, so right here that is open interval A minus R to A plus R. This is subset of singleton A. Now this is never possible because this right hand side, it contains just one element. This is singleton set. And what is this left hand side? Left hand side, it is nothing but some open interval A minus R to A plus R. A minus R means this left portion and A plus R means this is some right portion. So this is something greater. So this is a bigger quantity and this is some smaller quantity. So this will never be subset of that quantity. So right here, which is not possible. This is impossible, which is not possible. So this is not possible means our assumption, it is not possible. Because this final step, it is wrong. This is wrong means our initial concept, it was wrong concept. So what is wrong? G, it is open in R1, it is wrong. So what is correct? G, it is not open in R1. So right here, which is not possible. So right here, therefore, our assumption is wrong. So which assumption? G, it is open in R1, it is wrong. So what is the correct assumption? G, it is not open in R1. So write down the conclusion. Okay, therefore, G is not open in R1. And what is this G? G contains the singleton set, means every singleton set in R1, it is not open. So write down the conclusion. Okay, therefore, any singleton set in R1 is not open. So see how to show that the singleton set in R1, it is not open. Just take G as a singleton set in R1. We want to show that this is not open in R1. This is some negative type of statement. So for negative type of statement, we use the method of contradiction. Contradiction means just take the opposite statement. Okay, suppose that G, it is open in R1. Just use the definition of open set. This is the definition of open set. every open sphere, it is nothing but the open interval. So a minus r to a plus r, this is subset of a, and this is never possible because this is some larger portion and this is the smaller portion. So this is never possible. That means this is again never possible. G, it is open in R1, it is not possible. So what is the correct statement? G, it is not open in R1. Now let us take second example. Show that. Write down example number 2. Show that set of rational number, show that it is not open in R1. So this is the solution. So this is again the same example. We are given the set of rational number. So let us denote this set, suppose by A. A, it is the set of rational number. And we want to show that this set A, this is not open in R1. See what is given. We are given the set of rational number. So let us denote this set, suppose by A. And we want to show that the set of rationals show that it is not open. So let us prove that A is not open in R1. So this is again some negative type of statement. So for negative type of statement, always we use the method of contradiction. So we use the same method. So write down the solution. Let A is equal to set of rational number. So this is given. We are given the set of rational number. So let us suppose that the set of rational number, suppose we denote this set, suppose by A. Now we want to show that this is not open in R1. So right here we have to show that A is not open in R1. So again this is negative type of statement. So for negative type of statement, just we use the method of contradiction. So right here the contradiction method. So write down, let us assume the contradiction. So what is the contradiction? Just take the opposite statement. Suppose that A is open in R1. So see what are the steps. We are given the set of rational numbers. So just denote this set, suppose by A. We want to show that A, it is not open in R1. So just we use the method of contradiction. So what is the contradictory statement? Just take the opposite statement. Okay, suppose that A, it is open in R1. Now use the definition of open set. What is given? A, it is open. Open means, what is the definition of open set? This is the definition. For each A belongs to capital A, there exists radius greater than 0 such that, what is the condition for open set? The open sphere B with center at A and radius R, this contained in A. Then and then this A, it is called the open set. We are using the definition of open set. Because A, it is the open set means for each A belongs to A, there exists radius greater than 0 having this condition. Okay, open sphere B AR, which is subset of A, which contained in A, this is what the definition of open set. So this is, now we have seen this concept just now. This open sphere, it is nothing but the open interval in a real line. So what is the value for this open sphere? It is nothing but the open interval A minus R to A plus R, this is subset of A. And this is never possible. What is this A? This right hand side quantity, it is nothing but the set of rational number. This is the set of rational number. And what is this left side portion? This is interval. Suppose this is A and this is the interval A minus R to this right portion A plus R. Now obviously this interval contains infinitely many irrational number. What is this said? This is nothing but the open interval, and obviously this open interval contains the infinitely many irrational number. So this never be subset of that set, because this set A, it is nothing but the set of rational number. This is set of rational number, and obviously this left hand side, this interval contains many number which are the irrational number. So this is never possible. So right here, which is impossible, which is impossible. So right here reason, because this interval A minus R to A plus R contains infinitely many irrational number. So this left hand side contains many irrational number. So this never be subset of that particular set. So this is impossible. That means our assumption is wrong. So right here, therefore, our assumption is wrong. So which assumption? A, it is open. This is wrong. So what is correct? A, it is not open in R1. So write the conclusion, therefore A is not open in R1. And what is this A? It is nothing but the set of rational number. So right here the conclusion, therefore the set of rational number, is not open in R1. So see, we have seen, or we have shown that the set of rational number, it is not open in R1. Write down third example. Show that the set of irrational number, show that this is not open in R1. Now see, this is again the same example, same pattern. Okay, show that set of irrational number, show that this is not open in R1. So write down the set of irrational numbers. So write down let. Now let us suppose that set of irrational number, we denote this by suppose B. B is equal to suppose set of irrational number. We are given the set of irrational number. So let us denote this set of irrational number, suppose by B. Now we want to show that this is not open in R1. So right here, we have to show that B is not open in R1. So again, this is some negative statement. So again, we use the method of contradiction. So we use the method of contradiction. So write down, let us assume the contradiction that this set A or this set B, this is open in R1. So see, we want to show that this set B, it is not open in R1. So let us use the method of contradiction. So what is the contradictory statement? Okay, suppose that B, it is open in R1. So use the definition of open set. What is the definition of open set? Therefore, what is the definition? For each B belongs to B, there exists some radius greater than 0 such that this open sphere B with center at small b and radius r, this contained in capital B. Where what is B? B, that is our given set, and this notation for B, this is nothing but the open sphere. So this is, now what is open sphere in a real line? Just now we have seen this is nothing but the open interval b minus r to b plus r. This is subset of capital B. And what is this capital B? This capital B, this is nothing but the set of irrational number. Now this set B contains set of irrational number. And obviously this interval b minus r to b plus r, it contains infinitely many rational number. This interval, this is suppose B, left portion this is b minus r to b plus r. This interval contains many rational number. So this left hand side contains the rational number, and what is this right hand? This left hand side contains the rational number, and what is this right hand side? It contains just irrational number. So this is never possible because this is not subset of that particular set. So right here, which is impossible. Which is impossible because what is the reason? This interval b minus r to b plus r contains infinitely many rational number. So this is the reason, because this b, it contains just irrational number. So b contains irrational number, and what is this left hand side? It is some interval b minus r to b plus r. So obviously it contains many rational number. So this is never possible. This is not subset of this particular set. So this is impossible. This is impossible means our assumption, it is wrong assumption. So right here, therefore, our assumption is wrong. So which assumption? This B, it is not open in R1. This is wrong. So what is correct? This, what is our assumption? B, it is open in R1. This is wrong. So what is correct assumption? B, it is not open in R1. So write down the conclusion. Therefore, B is not open in R1. And what is this B? Set of irrational number, it is not open. So write down the conclusion. Therefore, set of irrational number is not open in R1. Now see, this is our next example. This is the example. Given example of two subset A and B of a real line satisfying these three conditions. What is the first condition? Their intersection, it is empty. Neither A is open nor B is open. And what is their union will be R, which is open set. See, this is our next example. We have to give some example. Having two subset A and B in a real line satisfying these three conditions. What is the first condition? Intersection, it is empty. Neither A is open nor B is open. And what is their union? Union should be real line, and which is again the open set. Now see, what is the solution? If we take suppose set A as a set of rational number, and if we consider suppose B as a set of irrational number, just now we have taken this set. A, that is set of rational number, and B, it is set of rational number in a real line. So obviously these two sets satisfying these three conditions. What is the first condition? Their intersection, it should be empty set. What is A? A contains set of rational number. What is B? B contains set of irrational number. So obviously, what is their intersection? Intersection, it should be empty set. There is no common element. This is set of rational and this is set of irrational number. So obviously, it contains or it does not contain any common element. This is again satisfying this second condition. Just now we have seen that this set of rational number, this is not open, as well as we have seen that the set of irrational number, it is not open. So obviously it satisfies this second condition that neither A is open nor B is open. And obviously it satisfying the third condition. What is their union? Union should be real line. Set of rational and set of irrational number, their union, it is a real line, and obviously we have seen that this real line, it is an open set. So see, this is the example. If we take the set of rational number and if we take the set of irrational number, and if suppose that is A and B, then it's satisfying these three conditions. Intersection, it is empty. Neither A is open nor B is open. And what is the union? Union, it is a real line, and which is again the open set. Thank you.